beautiful birds. All of us have almost the same colors, but not birds. They are colorful and so beautiful. Look at the picture of these birds and see if you know their names. This bird has a very strong beak. Yes, it is woodpecker. This bird can imitate us and kept as a pet. Yes, it is parrot. This bird lives around us and is found in groups. Yes, it is sparrow. This is the world's biggest, largest bird. Yes, it is ostrich. This bird lives mostly on the water and has more than 25,000 feathers. Yes, it is swan. This is the smallest bird in the world. Yes, it is hummingbird. This bird is very intelligent and make a cow 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 sound. Yes, it is crow. This bird's eyesight is almost 8 times better than us. Yes, it is eagle. This bird is active at night and has an excellent hearing ability. Yes, it is owl. This bird opens its feathers and dances in the rain. Yes, it is peacock.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.